Do you feel that something is different, that a new energy is surrounding your heart? You are right. That's it. Today, a powerful and unexpected message comes from your guardian angels, a revelation that will stir your deepest feelings. A true love, one that you perhaps didn't even know was so close, is about to reveal itself irresistibly. This special person, who already occupies your thoughts, can't stop thinking about you, imagining what it would be like to share every moment of the day by your side. This someone has an enormous desire to be present in every detail of your life, share dreams, create plans together, dive into every little piece of your routine. It's not just a common attraction, it's as if a greater force, a silent voice from deep within, whispers in their heart the certainty that this connection between you two is unique, different from anything you've ever felt before. It's something beyond simple love. It's as if destiny had planned this soul meeting long before you realized it. Your angels whisper that this person is completely enchanted by everything you are. Every gesture of yours, every word, every look seems to ignite a flame within them, a flame that does not go out, an irresistible desire to be ever closer. It's a rare, powerful connection that goes beyond comprehension. A soul connection that seems to have been carefully planned somewhere up there, as if the universe, God, in his immense wisdom, had decided that you two had to meet. All she wants is to be part of your world, to be by your side, to discover every mystery together, every little surprise in life. This person feels that you are made for each other, that the love you have to share has been blessed by a divine energy, as if all the angels are conspiring for this feeling to only grow, blossom, and become more and more intense. This connection that unites you is something beyond what words can describe. It is a bond that traverses time and space, something that transcends the ordinary and becomes almost palpable, a force that you feel deeply in your chest, in your heart. A connection so intense and unique that nothing and no one can break or separate it. A love that goes beyond the physical, beyond logic, and enters the territory of the spiritual, of the soul. Something that vibrates in every glance exchanged, in every touch, in every whispered word. From that very first moment when your paths crossed, something changed in the universe. It was as if the world stopped for a second and everything around disappeared, leaving just the two of you. It was at that exact moment, in that brief and intense encounter, that fate was sealed. Certainty invaded your hearts, bringing clarity that in some inexplicable way, you have always belonged to each other. Your angels are moving to create such a strong connection that, soon, fate will bring a marriage proposal. A proposal that will change everything, bringing a union full of love and meaning. Let yourself be carried away by this transformative energy that comes from the heart. Imagine how amazing it will be to live this new phase together, celebrating a love that feels like a miracle. Allow your heart to open to receive this blessing, which is the result of such a deep connection between two souls. There is an entire universe working to align every detail, so that this love grows even more. Every step you take, every decision, is being guided by divine forces that desire only one thing: to see this love flourish and become increasingly solid and true. Feel this angelic presence, which is always there, accompanying you both, guiding every movement, every look, every gesture. It is an energy that strengthens, that nurtures, that makes this feeling grow and expand. This is a moment of surrender, of trust, of opening your arms to what is to come. Let love speak louder, let hearts unite in a unique and sacred purpose. There is a beauty in feeling that we are not alone, that there is something greater guiding us, propelling us to this special moment. A moment where two souls recognize each other, connect, and surrender to a new stage. Soon a new chapter will begin in your life, a chapter that promises to be a true revolution in how you understand and feel love. In the coming days, you will feel everything differently, more intensely, almost as if it's the first time you experience such deep emotions. The universe, with all its majesty and mystery, has prepared a special moment for you, an encounter that goes beyond the ordinary, a magical encounter. Imagine the sensation of being enveloped by an aura of love so powerful that it feels like everything around you gains new colors and meanings. That's how it will be. The angels, who take care of every detail of our destiny, say that this special person who has just entered, or perhaps returned, to your life, is not a coincidence. They are here to stay, to accompany you, to help you grow and discover what true love is. This love you are about to experience is unbreakable, something that cannot be undone or erased by time. It is an essential piece of the puzzle that is your existence. You met because it was meant to be. Your souls recognized each other immediately, as if they had known each other from past lives. It is a bond that was forged a long time ago, and now at this moment, it becomes stronger and more evident than ever. Each look, each word, each gesture between you will confirm that there is something greater at play, something beyond what we can see or touch. With every step you take together, you will realize how everything falls into place, as if the universe is conspiring for this love to fully blossom. It is as if time, space, and all celestial forces are working in favor of this union. This is a divine alliance that will pulse in every moment, manifesting in a silent and powerful way, through the purest and truest language that springs from your hearts. Your angels, attentive to every step, indicate that this union is more than a mere coincidence. It is the beginning of a profound transformation, a change in perspective that illuminates new paths about life, about love, about the essence of existence. This is a love that transcends the ordinary, a rare and precious gift from your celestial guardians, destined to stay with you forever. It is not something that gets lost over time or dissolves in difficulties, but an eternal feeling, nourished by faith and hope, growing stronger each day with every look, every smile, every touch. Imagine yourself, then, embarking on this journey of celestial love with that special person by your side. A path that is not always easy, but that is always illuminated by the radiant light of your angels. They will be there, guiding, protecting, opening doors, and closing those that lead nowhere. They whisper in your ear, gently touch your shoulder, reminding you that you are exactly where you should be, next to who you should be, living a love that is real, that is sincere, that is deeply transformative. This is the sublime power of true love, which cannot be explained, which cannot be defined, but which can be felt with every heartbeat. A love that makes you want to be better, that inspires you, that completes you, and that shows you that life, with all its ups and downs, is a gift, a present worth living. It's as if a truly magical love story is unfolding, step by step, right before your eyes. A connection that goes beyond any notion of time, surpassing what is visible and tangible. This special person has finally realized how much you mean in their life. It's as if, suddenly, everything fits together and they understand that they can no longer ignore the profound impact you have on them. Now, this person is ready to act, to take that long-awaited step towards a future together, a future that both of you long for and deserve. A future where the love you feel will not just be a word, but a living, pulsating reality. It's a love that transcends everything, something that, honestly, this person never imagined possible. Before you entered her life, she might have believed that she had already experienced love. But what she feels for you is something completely different, something so deep and true that it defies any comparison to the past. You have become the key piece of her life, someone whose absence is unthinkable and whose presence fills every empty space that, until then, she didn't even know existed. You occupy her thoughts in a way that is both comforting and intoxicating. Her heart beats in sync with yours, and she finds herself daydreaming, planning a future where you both walk together, side by side. It's something so intense that sometimes she can hardly believe it's happening, but at the same time, it's the most natural thing in the world. In the coming days, something magical is going to happen between the two of you. You'll feel this bond grow so intensely that it will seem indestructible. Every step, every glance, everything will be perfectly aligned, as if the universe itself had decided to bless this union with love and affection, weaving a path where no obstacle will be big enough to tear you apart. Now imagine the heart of this special person. It's in a true whirlwind of feelings, beating faster with every thought of you. She wants, with all her might, to find the right words to express the magnitude of this love she carries in her chest. A love that only grows, that only strengthens. And in this deep desire to open up, she dreams of an even more intense connection, a commitment that goes beyond any expectation. She dreams of saying everything she feels, without barriers, without reservations. She dreams of a future by your side, where difficulties will be but small details in the face of the greatness of what you feel for each other. More than anything, she wishes to dive headfirst into this story, to live every moment with all the possible intensity, letting your love guide every step, every choice. It's as if she had already been rehearsing these words, waiting for the right moment to declare what she so desires, to be by your side fully without fear, without doubts. Because what she feels is real, it is strong, it is like a flame that does not extinguish. Your name pulses in this person's mind, as if each heartbeat softly whispers who you are. It is a connection that goes beyond simple understanding, a unique energy that only genuine and profound love can generate. It seems that the universe conspired to unite you, and now, the angels whisper that the journey that is about to begin will be full of moments of pure happiness, sincere laughter, and surprises that touch the soul. Every step you take together will be guided by a light that only those who truly love can see. This person's world has gained a new brightness since you arrived, as if your presence had ignited a flame that illuminates every corner of their life. This love that you share is like a divine gift, a blessing that fills the heart with hope and joy. The love that you are building is much more than a simple union. It is a solid foundation that stands strong against any storm. It is the beginning of a journey full of promises and dreams, of a bond that only grows stronger with time, nourished by trust, respect, and unconditional support. This love that has now emerged in your life is the starting point for a profound and genuine transformation. It is as if life had reserved this moment for you, a new beginning where each step is a discovery, each day a new opportunity to feel complete, happy, and fulfilled. You are being guided by divine hands, which lead you with care and wisdom, opening paths for you to live everything you deserve. The energies that surround this love are full of light, of an angelic force that protects and blesses, that drives you to go further, to believe that every challenge can be overcome. It is a love that brings with it the power of renewal, that transforms your way of seeing the world, that makes you believe that yes, everything is possible when there is true love. Open your heart to receive this happiness that the universe, in its immense kindness, has saved for you. Allow yourself to feel, live, and surrender to this feeling that was already destined for you. A connection of souls that goes beyond what the eyes can see, that makes you feel special, welcomed, and loved like never before. Feel this energy flowing in your life, allowing each moment to be a reflection of this grand love that has come to you. If within you there is a certainty, if your angels whisper in your ear that this is the love you deserve, then embrace this truth with an open heart. Recognize the power of this union, the magic of this meeting of souls. And if this resonates with your essence, type "I receive" in the comments. With this simple gesture, you declare to the universe that you are ready, that you accept with gratitude everything that is reserved for you. After all, nothing happens by chance, and maybe this is the moment to let love speak louder. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.